Well, well, my dear children, arranging the sentence or reordering the sentence are very important. Often, as for previous year question, it is quite clear that 3 marks, question of 3 marks usually comes to arrange the sentence. Here, what is the logic? How to solve a sentence that is reordering? It is written in jumbled. You have to write the sentence in a very meaningful way. First of all, count the word. Suppose the ocean, number 1, came up, number 2, the rising, number 3, over, number 4, and 5, that is number 5. So, here there are 5 phrases, 5 words that is written. क्वेश्चन दिखेगा कैसे? मैं दिखा नहीं रहा हूँ तो क्वेश्चन दिखेगा कैसे? आप लिखे नहीं क्या? आप लिखिए। क्वेश्चन जब मैं दिखाता हूँ तो कहाँ रहते हैं? अब यहाँ से बनाएंगे द राइजिंग सन। द राइजिंग सन, start from here. The rising sun, the rising sun yes, the rising sun, the rising sun came up. The rising sun came up over the ocean, came up over the ocean. The rising sun came, the rising sun, the rising sun came up, came up over the ocean. Next sentence, surrounded waves, I was large by ocean. See, surrounded waves, I was large by ocean. This is a jumble sentence. Now, I was surrounded. Start यहाँ से करें. I was surrounded by large ocean, large oceanic waves. I was surrounded by large oceanic wave. The sentence you have to arrange like that. Surrounded waves, I was large by oceanic. So I was surrounded by large oceanic waves. I was surrounded by large oceanic wave. Here you see, first of all, arrange, count the tips, ordering the sentence. First of all, read the sentence carefully. Count the number of words. Then you write the sentence and recount. If it is 6 words, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 वर्ड है आपका, ठीक है? तो आप अगर सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं तो आप देखिए कि 6 वर्ड आ रहा है कि नहीं. तो I was number 1 surrounded by large oceanic wave. All the words are included. In this way, you can only rearrange or reorder the jumble sentences. The tips or the clue is that first of all, you read the sentence. Give the number. By giving numbers, it will be easy for you. It will be easy for you when you will rearrange the sentence. After writing the sentence, that you recount that whether all the phrase, all the words are written or included in this sentence or not. If any word is left, the whole sentence will be wrong, even it is correct. So don't commit this kind of mistake. We have always come across that your sentence is 80% correct. Only leaving one word. For example, the, a, and, like articles, you leave the articles, you leave the prepositions. So these kind of silly mistakes, cost you a lot. If you commit these kind of silly mistakes, you are going to lose your marks. So my dear children, it is my request that whenever you are trying to rearrange the sentence, the very first thing is that you keep in mind that all the words should be included in your sentence. Rough work is very important. Most of you don't do the rough work for jumbled sentences. In grammar, rough work is very important. By doing rough work, go at the back of the page, or you do some rough work with your pencil, write, then you copy down this sentence. Directly you write, and if you commit a mistake, then you try to erase it. In this way your impression is not good. It is my suggestion as a teacher that you should try to write the grammar in particular in rough work. Do with pencil, either arranging the sentence or editing or narration or passive or whatever that is given. Be careful. Reread. Unless you are not confirmed, don't write your answer. Think for that. Because once you write the answer in your answer booklet, you will, if you commit mistake, if you want to change, you need to erase it or you need to just cross it. In this way, you create a doubt. So don't do this. So nothing is that. Do the rough work, count the number of words, then rearrange the sentence. As I am arranging. Now, ping. Number one, ping the sky, turn. Ping the sky, turn, and swept the clouds across. ठीक है? I read again. Ping, number one, ping, slash, the sky, slash, turned, slash, and swept, slash, the cloud, slash, and across. Now, you count. Ping is number one, the sky is number two, turn is number three, fourth, that is and swept, fifth, that is the clouds, and the sixth is the across. So there are six words, six phrases are used. Now you have to make a meaningful sentence. Now start from two. The sky turned. The sky turned pink and swept the clouds across. The sky turned pink and swept the clouds across. Okay? Or you can write in the sky, the cloud turned and swept the sky pink. It is wrong. So the sky turned pink and swept the clouds across. across. Understood? Now the third sentence. No land, alarm, visible, I grew, there was, because. Please see, no land, alarm, visible, I grew, there was, because. Start from here. I grew alarm because I grew alarm because there was no land visible. I grew alarm because there was no land visible. Understand? Now, see the next. One more example I am giving you. One more. Please see how to transform. Please see how it is done. I just erased number 1. So what will be the sentence? The first sentence will be that the rising sun, पहला sentence क्या होगा कि the rising sun came up over the ocean, came up over the ocean, came up over the ocean. Number 2, I was surrounded by large oceanic waves. Number 2 क्या होगा? See, I was surrounded by large. I was surrounded by large oceanic waves. Large oceanic waves. That is number 2. Now number 3. I am writing answer. Number 3. The sky turned pink. The sky turned pink. The sky turned pink and swept. And swept the clouds across. Number 4. Now see the number 4. Answer number 4. Please see. I grew alarmed. Number 4 का आंसर लिखिए. I grew alarmed because there was no land visible. I grew alarmed because because there was no land visible. There was no land visible. कोई चीज दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, इसलिए मैं डर गया। ठीक है। Here you see how to reorder the jumbled sentence into a meaningful sentence. Okay? Now, please copy down. The rising sun came over the ocean. Number 1. I was surrounded by large oceanic wave. I was surrounded by large oceanic wave. The sky turned pink and swept the clouds across. ठीक है। I grew alarmed because there was no land visible. Okay. Now next sentence you see. See the next. One more example I am giving you. Please try. बहुत आसान दे रहे हैं। लीव।
सर लगातार वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
किसका? अब नहीं आ रहा वीडियो?
बीच में बार बार शौर्य आ जा रहा है।
क्या बीच बीच में डिलिंग हो रहा है? ओके, वो जरा सा नेट कर। ओके, मैं वीडियो भेजूंगा, अपलोड भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग भी कर रहा हूँ दूसरे मोबाइल से। जो डिस्टरबेंस हो रही है, आप वीडियो को, जो मैं वीडियो यूट्यूब पर डाउनलोड करता हूँ उसको देखिए, उसमें कोई डिस्टरबेंस नहीं है। ये नेट की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से मैं 2 मोबाइल यूज़ करता हूँ, एक से आपकी वीडियो बनाता हूँ क्लास की और दूसरे से पढ़ाता हूँ। तो जो मैं वीडियो अपलोड करता हूँ उसको आप देखें। ठीक है। लीव द किंग देयर वंस। क्या हो जाएगा? सी द सेंटेंस, लीव द किंग देयर वंस। हाउ टू ट्रांसफॉर्म इट इज? वंस there lived a king. Once there lived a king. इसका क्या हो जाएगा? ऊपर से बनाइए। once there lived a king. हो गया। नंबर 2 का देखिए। large had a army. ही क्या हो जाएगा? लार्ज हैड ए आर्मी। ही, तो ही हैड ए लार्ज आर्मी। ही हैड अ लार्ज LARGE आर्मी। ठीक है। ही हैड ए लार्ज आर्मी। See, how are you friend? Leave the king there once. So once there, leave the king. Once there, leave a king. ठीक है। Once there, leave the king. Lord had a army. So he had a large army. He had a large army. Clear है? Next sentence. See the next sentence. Kingdom. 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 Kingdom shares with his army many conquered. many के बाद conquered, उसके बाद ही. चलिए इसको बनाइए, क्या होगा? प्लीज सी द सेंटेंस. किंगडम्स with his army many conquered he. बहुत आसान है. Come on fast. अब यहां से स्टार्ट करें कि he conquered many kingdoms with his army. With his army. Then you see, first of all, count the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आपने पढ़ाया, अब देखिए 6 होना चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. तो देखिए, जब भी आप रीअरेंज द सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो वर्ड्स को जरूर काउंट करें, क्योंकि सम टाइम आप वर्ड्स को छोड़ देते हैं और सेंटेंस सही होने के बाद भी आपके मार्क्स चले जाते हैं. तो क्या हो जाएगा?
आर्मी एक साथ हो गया.
हाँ वो उसके साथ है ना, यहाँ पर हिज, यहाँ पर विथ हिज है ना, विथ हिज एक है और आर्मी. तो ही conquered many kingdom with his army. ठीक है बच्चों? Like that you can frame the jumbled sentences. Remember, rough work is important. Even teachers get confused. So be careful. Whenever we try to solve the question, we even use pencils. Arranging the sentence, we write at least once. So think, because it is basic. Even the greatest batsmen use basics. Whenever the great batsmen like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Sunil Gavaskar, whoever come to the cruise, they follow the basics. Basics are important. Basic is that you write those sentences in a rough work that is given for jumbled or editing or for narration or for the question. By doing this, you can avoid your mistakes. Next sentence. So he conquered many kingdoms with his with his army. He conquered many kingdoms with his army. Next sentence. One more sentence is left to be completed. Now see the next one. Was also. एक sentence है, was also. Next, noble. A good. king. King slash he and he was क्या से he was also ऐसे he was also a good and noble king. देखिए he was also a good and noble king. He यहाँ से देखिए he यहाँ से होता है he was also a good and noble king. ठीक है he was also a good and noble king. So here you have seen how to transform, how to rearrange, reorder the jumble sentence into a meaningful. I hope you may have understood. If you have any problem, please write it in box. If anyone have not understood, please write it in box, or you can send your problem on my WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.